Are you going through spiritual dryness? Yung tipong kahit anong dasal mo, parang wala ka pa rin nararamdaman. You don't feel uplifted. At parang tipong di mo naririnig ang Diyos. Yung wala kang gana. And you struggle to come up with a prayer. Alam mo, dumadaan tayong lahat sa ganyan. Yan yung mga panahon na dapat mas pagtibayan natin ang ating faith. During these times of desolation, it teaches us that it's not about feelings. Yung ating relationship with God, hindi nakasalalay sa nararamdaman natin. At pag dumadaan tayo sa spiritual dryness, mas lalo natin dapat kausapin ang Diyos. Kasi ganun ang pagkakaibigan. It's not only when you're spiritually well that you talk to God. Mas lalo na dapat kinakausap ang Diyos when we feel empty. And you know what? This dryness or emptiness has a purpose as well. During these times, marami tayong mga tanong sa Diyos. Tinatanong natin kung anong plano niya. Ina-assess natin ang ating buhay. We try to search into our souls kung ano pa talaga ang dapat nating ginagawa. And although napakahirap pag spiritually dry, hindi naman ganun forever. After your desolation comes the consolation. It is a time of nourishment. It's a time of affirmation. It is a time of blessing. Because life's like that. You won't appreciate the sweetness of it without the bitterness. You won't appreciate the blessings without the trials. Kaya kung nahihirapan kang magdasal ngayon, kapit lang, magpakita pa rin and seek the Lord even more.